Asking for directions like a robot is the fastest way to get ignored by native speakers.
Wait, what? But I always say, where's the station? Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, but it's way too direct. It sounds like a demand, not a request.
Oh no. I don't want to be the rude tourist. What should I do instead?
Stick around, because today we're transforming your city English from textbook to totally native in 3 simple steps.
I'm ready. I hate getting lost and feeling embarrassed.
First rule, never start with the question. You need a polite buffer.
A buffer? Like excuse me?
Exactly, but let's level it up. Try, I was wondering if you could help me.
That sounds so much softer. I was wondering if you could help me?
Perfect. Or even, sorry to bother you, do you know where?
So instead of where's the bus stop, I say sorry to bother you, do you know where the bus stop is?
Boom. You just went from 10% to 100% natural. See the grammar flip? Where is the stop becomes where the stop is.
Got it. Indirect questions are key. What's the second tip?
Lesson 2, use landmark locators. Don't just look for a street sign.
Landmark locators? You mean like big buildings?
Yes. Ask, is it near the big Starbucks, or is it past the blue bridge?
So I'm giving the person a reference point to help them help me.
Precisely. Say, I'm looking for the museum. Is it anywhere near the Central Park?
That makes it so much easier for the local to visualize the path.
And if you're totally lost, just ask, is there a landmark I should look out for?
That's a pro move. I'm writing that one down.
Now, the most important part, the verification step. This is where most people fail.
Wait, what's that? I usually just say thank you and walk away, then realize I didn't understand anything.
That's the mistake. You must repeat the directions back to them to confirm.
How do I do that without sounding like a parrot?
Use the phrase, so, just to make sure I got that right.
So, just to make sure I got that right. I go left at the light and then straight?
Exactly. If they nod, you're good to go. If not, they'll correct you before you walk blocks in the wrong direction.
That saves so much time and frustration. Let's try it out.
Alright, imagine I'm a busy New Yorker and you're looking for the subway station on 42nd Street. Go.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I was wondering if you could help me?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I'm looking for the 42nd Street subway. Do you know where that is?
Oh, yeah. Just head down 2 blocks and hang a right. It's right next to the giant cinema.
Is that the one past the fountain?
Yep, exactly. You can't miss it.
Okay, just to make sure I got that right, 2 blocks down, then a right at the cinema?
You got it. Have a good one.
Wow. That felt so natural. I didn't feel like a tourist at all.
You nailed it. Now, it's the viewer's turn. Pause the video and repeat this after me.
Ready? Repeat, could you point me towards the nearest pharmacy?
Type that phrase in the comments if you practiced it. I'll be checking.
So, let's recap what we learned today.
1. Use a polite buffer like I was wondering if you could help me.
2. Use landmarks to make it easier for people to guide you.
3. Always verify by repeating the directions back.
If you do these 3 things, you'll never feel lost again.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We post a new video every single day to help you become fluent.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.